Hello everyone. For this activity, I just did a poster board, and the reason I chose a poster board is because when I was in school, my teachers would have us make poster boards all the time to test our knowledge. We would either work in a group or we would just work by ourselves and make a poster over what we have learned for that lesson, and it really just shows if we really understood what they were teaching us. And they would either hang it up in the hallways for like others to see, or they would give us a grade on it and then obviously give us feedback if we didn't do good on it or whatever, if we just didn't understand what they were teaching us. So I made a really simple poster, and the point of posters, like, you don't put a lot of information on poster boards, or at least I've always been taught not to, because it can get overwhelming when you have a lot of information on there. So I just do quick bullet points over RTI and made it really simple. So RTI has like 3 levels or 3 tiers. Tier 1 I put as core curriculum, Tier 2 small groups, and Tier 3 is individualized instruction. And then I just went on and put a few bullet points on for each tier. Tier 1 has all students participated. This is like the class instruction as a whole. Everyone participates in it. And it's evidence-based instruction that can be expected to meet the needs of 80 to 85% of students. And then those remaining 15 to 20% of students that didn't meet the needs of it, they would go to Tier 2, which this is where the few students participate. And it's strategic evidence-based intervention. And it aims to supplement and not replace Tier 1 instruction. So they'll go into this Tier 2 or Level 2 instruction on top of Tier 1, not just taking away from. So they get the extra support that they need. And then Tier 3 has even less students, and it focuses on each student individually because they are struggling with whatever they are being taught. And this can be delivered by a specialist or a special education teacher. And then some of the key components of RTI are data teams, family, screening, and instruction. And I just think this would be a really good, posters would be just a really good and easy way to test your students to see if they have fully understood what you have taught them with the lesson or the unit that you have planned for them.